Did you know that sitting for extended periods can cause serious health risks? Research has shown that people who spend most of their time sitting have a higher chance of developing diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. This is a major problem for people who work in offices, as they tend to spend most of their time sitting down. Fortunately, standing desks are increasingly becoming more popular, with people choosing to work while standing. If you're working in an office environment, chances are high that you've probably seen colleagues working on reports while standing at their desk. These useful pieces of furniture have several benefits, including reducing neck and back pain, as well as reducing the risk for obesity or heart disease. In this video, we've compiled a list of the top 4 standing desks on the market to choose from. But that's not the best part. We've actually categorized them into 4 major categories to make it easier to choose the best. Keep watching to find out about each one. And now, let's begin. At number 1 is the Who Electric Standing Desk. It's not only our number 1 choice, but also the best overall standing desk on our list. The first thing you'll love about the Who Standing Desk is its practicality. Its dual columns are hinged to strong, durable solid-state motors, which not only make it sturdy, but also ensures it starts and stops gently. Along with that, the dual columns can be adjusted from the preset minimum height of 24 inches to a maximum height of 50 inches, making the desk suitable for all heights. But that's not the best part. The height adjustment only takes 18 seconds, with the motors operating below 50 decibels, so you won't have to worry about distracting your coworkers. Need a lot of desk space for all of your stuff, like multiple monitors or other peripherals? Then the Who Standing Desk is a good port of call for another high-quality desk that delivers some serious real estate. And the real bonus is that it's nicely priced for what you're getting. Another critical function of the standing desk is that you'll love the sedentary reminder. It sends you a notification reminding you to stand up depending on the time that you have spent sitting. This is particularly important in creating a healthy sitting-standing schedule, and the smart handset control can easily be programmed to 3 preset heights. With just one touch, the desktop will be moved to a preset memory location. The built-in gyro sensors in the control box are able to quickly detect angle and speed changes while the desktop is moving. The anti-collision feature will stop the desk's movement if it senses something in the way. A great feature for those who have children or pets that may come into the workspace. One of the biggest challenges office workers face is having to deal with tripping hazards. This is especially the case in small office spaces, as entangled cables can significantly affect the movement. The Who Standing Desk comes with multiple cable management solutions, which help in routing and protecting cords, and at the same time keeping them off the ground. Assembling the Who Standing Desk is a piece of cake, as it comes with 90% of it pre-assembled. As such, it'll take less than 5 minutes to piece it together, and the other remaining operations are good to go. If you're looking for a standing table that's designed and engineered to increase productivity and inspire creativity, the Who Standing Desk is a solid investment. It features adjustable heights, a cable management solution, and a sedentary reminder, making it an all-around piece of office furniture. In our next category of the best budget standing desk, the ultimate winner in this category was the Costway Height Adjustable Computer Desk. When looking for a standing computer desk, one of the most critical factors is the stability and durability, and that's exactly what the Costway Adjustable Computer Desk offers. The dual columns are constructed using a powder-coated steel frame, with the top featuring an MDF board, giving it great strength, stability, and durability. Still, the PVC tabletop surface is coated using scratch-resistant material to withstand years of abuse without signs of aging, and it's wide enough to hold multiple everyday items. The Costway computer desk height is customizable to fit different office settings, sitting and standing positions. For a comfortable user experience, you can adjust the height to a minimum of 27.5 inches and a maximum height of 42 inches. The height adjustable design also makes this standing desk multifunctional, as it can be used as a computer desk, side table, coffee table, end table, or even a small dining table. The Costway height adjustable standing desk also features 4 universal wheels at the bottom, 2 of which have brakes, which is not only unmatched with its stability, but it makes it super portable. Better yet, the table's compact size and adjustable height make it easy to store in smaller places. Before we move on, we have something important to tell you. We're constantly uploading similar videos on this channel. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. In our next category, it's the Best Desk Converter Standing Desk, and the Vivo V00B Height Adjustable Standing Desk takes the prize. Weighing just over half a pound when fully assembled, the Vivo is easily one of the most portable standing desks on the market. But don't let the portability fool you. The 35-inch by 22-inch tabletop surface has a weight-carrying capacity of up to 33 pounds, which is pretty decent compared to other standing desks in the same category. The desk also has 4-pound lower deck where you can place a keyboard, mouse, or documents for a clutter-free workspace. Another thing you'll love about the Vivo is the sit-to-stand desk, which is easy to change heights. The surface height can be adjusted from 6.5 inches to 16 inches in less than 10 seconds. Better yet, it locks at 8 different intervals thanks to the innovative height lock mechanism, which is activated by pressure handles located on each side of the stand. For smooth, quick transitions, the table is fitted with double gas springs, while the non-slip pads on the legs help improve stability and prevent floor damage. Some parts come pre-assembled, and the desk comes with an assembly manual, making it a snap to put together. The Vivo V00B Height Adjustable Standing Desk is an innovative piece of office furniture worth your investment. The large, expansive surface allows for dual monitors, while the height adjustment, lock, and transition technology give it unmatched convertibility. The Rolling Angle and Height Adjustable Laptop Stand is our choice for most compact standing table, and that's for a reason. For starters, this laptop stand comes with a sleek, stylish, and practical design, which makes it one of the most versatile standing tables currently available on the market. The tabletop surface offers maximum flexibility with a 360-degree swivel and a 180-degree tilt, giving you the freedom and flexibility to set up your workplace in different places, including a sofa bed. Another excellent addition to the Rolling Angle laptop stand is the safety edge stoppers. They prevent your laptop from tipping over when swiveling or tilting. For easy portability, the stand also features 4 omnidirectional casters, all of which are lockable to improve stability. In terms of its build, very few stands come close to the Rolling Angle Height Adjustable Laptop Stand. The MDF metal board has a thickness of 0.59 inches, with the PVC and tube thickness being 0.007 inches and 0.04 inches. Overall, this gives the standing table a maximum weight capacity of 44 pounds, which is pretty impressive. In terms of adjustments, the stand's height can be adjusted between 24 inches and 37.4 inches depending on the user's comfort. Overall, the Rolling Angle and Height Adjustable Laptop Stand is versatile and a sturdy piece of furniture that'll serve you great both in the office or home setting. And there you have it, the top 4 standing tables on the market in 2021. Whether you're suffering from a medical condition such as back and neck pain, or simply looking to burn more calories, we hope our list of suggestions will help you make an informed choice. We also always look forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. So if there's a product you have in mind that you'd love to see us review, comment below and our research team will be happy to review it for you. Also, stay up to date with our latest videos by tapping the red bell icon and become part of our growing online community by subscribing to our channel. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.